Hola, buenos días a todo. This is Elsie. In this sunny morning day, welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm coming up with you for another reaction. Yeah, we're gonna be reacting to Marco Rodillo performing the song Goodbye, originally from the Air Supply. And it's kind of exciting to see him perform in this kind of genre. Yeah, so come on guys, dive in. Let's all watch this so we will see how would Marco Rodillo's version on this song would go. Come on, dive in. So this is Elsie reacting from the USA. Wow. Goodbye. Meron siyang sariling band.
I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know
Ganda ng boses.
to try. You deserve to have so much more. I can feel hard and I sympathize.
Maganda rin ang boses na sa genre ito.
All you've ever meant to my life. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna lead you on.
Wow.
I don't wanna hold you back.
At least hindi siya lumayo sa original version, no? Pero boses niya ang may authentic style.
My heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie
Wow.
anymore. And I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say.
Ganda ng song, bagay ang boses niya.
You deserve a chance at a kind of love I'm not sure I'm worthy of. Losing you is painful to me.
Ang linis, no?
I don't wanna
And
let you down.
clear.
I don't wanna lead you on. I don't wanna hold you
Yeah, you can understand every word that she's singing.
You would never ask me why. My heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. And I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say.
Ganda ng boses niya. Sarap pakinggan. Bagay din pala sa kanya ang mga kantang ganito, no? Magaling din ang band niya.
Would never ask me why. My heart is so disguised. I
Late ba siya dun? No, I don't think so. Tama lang ang timing.
and I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to try. Knowing's gonna hurt us both. There's no other way than to say goodbye.
Nice! Galing din ang band. Wow. Wow. One of the best version of the song, I may say. You know, hindi siya lumayo sa original version. Pero meron siyang authentic vocal style at ang lawak ng range niya. Narinig ko at nag-react na din ako sa mga previous performances niya. Ang galing niya. And dito, wow, wala kang masabi. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Adios!